Why? Storm coming. It's a ways. It's over there. Still. Are you hitting me? Wendy has an MF. Woo! It's cold. Are you kidding me? Focus. Woo! You can see the rain. I like this. Oh, you see that shit. What the hell? I thought it was coming after me. There's red at the tips. I gotta go real quick. Oh, you can see the sun. I don't even know what it's doing. Clouds are a little ominous. Are you kidding me? This wooden block is like Angry Grandma on the door handle, but with me. Freaking. I don't even know what that is. I didn't even notice those leaves before. The storms have had a resurgence. Okay, I'm going around here. It just moved past us. It rained on us a little bit, not enough. But it got really bad as it went over there, it seems. Hey, dude. You can see some of the rain up there. Of course, typical where I live, it strengthens after it goes past us. And the wind is so freaking bad out here, my thing blew off. This windscreen blew off. This adhesive is getting stupid. That sun feels good though. It's later now. You can hear the thunder. It's even colder. The wind stopped after that first bout, but it's coming back, I guess. The wind is showing turquoise, teal, on my radar now. It's a lot worse. Here's out of the wind. They updated that thing so that it gets the wind better. I don't know. Oh. Whoops. Still don't have the wind guard on here. So. Bill? No. That looked like this car though. Twister. I don't know, man. Wow. This pumpkin's washed up at this point. Ew. Looks like my chin. I'm zooming in. I'm gonna leave. Why not? I'm bored. With the storm in the background. My hair. I see rain fingers. I think I might miss this just a little bit, but I don't know. Oh wow! The tree went up and backward. I don't even know where the hell I want to point at. Look at the clouds with waves underwater. Rain curtains. You can see the gust blowing them. It's like a J shape. Good idea to head out here. Good idea. Oh my god. There's 55-mile-an-hour winds heading towards the Detroit Grosse Pointe area there, where some of my friends are at. They might be there now. Oh shit. Look at this. It's giving me 2000s emo hair. Whew. Are you kidding me? Shokus, what? Oh my god. Oh my god. There's rain. What was that? Oh, that is so much worse when I'm seeing it in real life. See the leaves flying. Oh, nice shit. Look at all the leaves. That's a good idea, dude. I'm not rocking the camera like that, you liar. Alligator bus. I haven't seen that yet. I didn't realize how long I was recording that last clip. Those junipers, dude. Oh, there's the rain. Whew. That smells good. That's some hard rain. Is that hail? It said small bits of hail on the radar. Very October. Totally. I knew it would miss us a little bit. It's all like that way. Dude. That's... Oh no, that is hail. I felt it. That is hail. Look at that. Little hail beads. That's hail. It is hail. Yeah, that is hail.
Yeah.
I need a... Why not? What do I put in there? That'll do. I don't want that thing to blow. October hell. Hell. Yeah, hail. As soon as I place that out here, it stops. That's hail. Millimeter-sized hail. Crunch. That thing is leaning more and more. Why are you going crooked, camera? That's a weird noise. ADHD cam. Damn. Why are you dim? Why are you dumb? Ah! Why are you dumb? Same thing. Yes, I'm out here in sandals. I heard my air conditioner. Whenever the wind goes to my air conditioner goes woo! And that's why I want it out this winter. But there's a whole problem there, which is going to be resolved soon. And there's some over there, it's going to miss us. Trickle in the fame. I don't know. The wind just calmed down, I think. Maybe. Uh-oh. It's gonna be a long video, I just know it. That's styrofoam. I don't care. Dang it! Off. Whew. That was a good scare. You okay? Shit. I don't know, man. I see a wall of rain. That thing's looking spooky. It looks like a dam. Damn. Why are you doing that? It looks like a dam though. It goes down like that. The rain. Focus down there when I press record. Duh. Sometimes I give myself the creeps. Shite. Shit. Old Green Day is better than new Green Day. They're kind of washed up now. Whew. Waves. Waves. They're gonna get blown, dude. By the wind. Wind's back. So, it's just gonna be raining for a long time. Ooh, rainbow. It's gonna be raining for all night, pretty much, and this wind too. It's a half rainbow. Half rainbow. Ow! Had a eye drop. All right, I gotta go back in. But yeah, it's gonna be raining for a while, and it won't be too special to record. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Ridiculous.